Are backlinks the bane of your existence on your website? Today I'm going to give you a bombshell announcement that was just made by Google that will completely change your world.
Hi guys, it is Tom Batman Ziegelbauer, and if you aren't familiar with my channel, I help businesses and entrepreneurs grow through the use of technology. And today I have some great news for a lot of you that are out there. So we have been conditioned that it's been a big focus in terms of increasing your domain authority, of getting as many backlinks as possible to your site. And what is a backlink? A backlink is somebody else's website. They link to your page or your home page or a location in your site from theirs, which is a signal to Google. And it's been thought for a long time is by having a ton of these, that would actually help you in terms of your domain authority and your search engine ranking position. Well, John Mueller actually blew that out of the water here the other day. This is what he said. Google's John Mueller says the total number of backlinks a website has doesn't matter at all to the search algorithm. One good link from a relevant website can be more impactful than millions of low quality links. This he stated during his Google Search Central SEO Hangout recorded on February 19th. He's basically the spokesperson for Google in terms of SEO and their search. He won't tell you exactly how the algorithm works, and because they're constantly changing it anyway. So to sum all of this up, it's quality over quantity 100%. And I've said that for years and years and years and years. It's the quality of your content. It's the quality of your user experience. It's the quality of the totality of your website that will help you rank better on Google. And as they come out with their usability update, this is going to be absolutely critical for your web presence in order to rank higher. So hopefully you got something out of this today. If you did, please comment down below what are some of your strategies in terms of SEO that work for you. I'd love to hear about those, or if you have some particular questions, definitely would love to hear that as well. If you did receive value from this, hit that subscribe button and that like button down below so you can be alerted to additional content that we put out here. So remember, people don't care how much you know until they know how much you care, and we will see you next time.